Alright guys, so let me tell you, installing these headers on this BMW E46 has been painful. This has been difficult, time consuming. Like, let me show you guys how much room you actually have in there to put them headers on, guys. Let me tell you first, before I show you, the world record for cussing. I won. I threw tools across the garage. Let me show you that real quick before I keep going. So there's one of the tools. This one actually got stuck to the wall. I think it would have been a lot easier to take the engine out and put headers on and then drop the engine back in. Because I think I've taken about the same amount of time to take an engine out than to install these headers. Guys, I don't know how many of y'all have done it, but there's like 14 nuts you have to take out in order to get them big gigantic headers out. By the way, let me show you these beasts that came on this car. So those are the monsters that I took out of the little area which y'all are about to see. Look at that beast, bro. Incredible. You have no room to put your hands through to take all of them little screws and nuts and stuff out. So there's the little area, there's the headers. I mean, they do look nice. They look nice on there, but oh my gosh, man, it's been a painful adventure. But guys, look at the room you have from here to there. Imagine taking out them big, gigantic stock manifolds. Bro, you have no room for nothing. Like I said, I should have took the engine out. But guys, we're almost done. Day 2, we're almost done. I gotta go buy 3 studs that I broke because it wouldn't come off, and I got mad and started yanking on it and they bent. So I gotta go get 3 of those, put it back on, and tomorrow y'all hear this bad boy making noise. So guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and look at that. That's Gas Garage, baby. We'll be back.